Antarctica is the world's largest mysterious continent of ice, which was first observed in 1821. A total of 7 continents are present on our land, and Antarctica is the 5th largest continent of the world, which is completely covered by ice. Antarctica is such a large continent of ice that up to a depth of 5 kilometers, there is only ice, which has covered 97% of the continent. This continent of ice is spread over an area of 1,036 kilometers, in which 17 countries like Pakistan and 4 countries like India can fit. There is so much ice on this continent that if it all melts together, then the sea level of the whole world will increase by 200 feet. 60% of the world's freshwater is present in the sheets of Antarctica. Even though June-July is a cool season, the temperature of Antarctica remains comfortable from -50 degrees to -90 degrees throughout the year, and this is the reason why the expectation of life here is comfortable almost continuously for 6 months in summers and continuously for 6 months in winters. Neither any time zone is followed in Antarctica, nor is there any country's authority on this continent. Without the sun being at its peak and rising for 6 minutes, it is very difficult to estimate the time here. This is the reason why no time zone is followed in Antarctica. Many people believe that many secrets are hidden under this ice of Antarctica, and some people believe that another world exists under this ice. Some people believe that under the ice of this planet, the spaceships of aliens exist in mysterious circumstances. It exists, and some people believe that Hitler's secret military base is present here. 11,000 years ago such a natural disaster had come whose target was a city where the people considered themselves to be God, and that city was none other than Atlantis. It is said that the lost city of Atlantis is lost under the present mountains of ice. In simple words, there are such amazing things in this continent of ice. There are buried secrets whose magnitude no one can even imagine. For the past many years, scientists and research centers have been trying hard to find them out, and during the research, they have discovered such things which, instead of solving these mysteries, have made this controversy even more mysterious. In other words, instead of solving the mystery of the mystery, it is getting more complicated. Till now, more than 400 secrets have been discovered from Antarctica which are hidden under layers of ice. In 2009, the structure of a shrimp was found inside the ice of Antarctica, which astonished the researchers. The surprising thing was that this structure was not of any common shrimp. It was the structure of a shrimp. After discovering the egg-laying shrimp, it was found that this animal was found on land around 2.5 crore years ago. It was first found in Antarctica in 1911, and since then, more than 45,000 pieces of clay and rite have been found from this continent. There are such pieces of clay and rite that are not related to our land, rather they have broken off from some other planet and are more than 7 years old. In 2015, a small clay and rite was discovered from Antarctica. After research, it was found that this clay and rite had broken off from the Earth and not from anywhere else, because it contains such bacteria that are found en masse. In 2014, archaeologists discovered such a thing from Antarctica that surprised everyone. During research, 3 human skulls were found, which were the first human skulls found from Antarctica. These skulls are more unique than normal skulls. The skulls were different because their heads were protruding more than their hands. Scientists have found similar skulls in Egypt as well, which indicates that perhaps thousands of years ago, till the end of the century, people also lived in Tibet, who must have had some connection with the ancient and early civilization. In 1911, a scientist named Taylor discovered a huge skull in Antarctica. A waterfall was discovered where there is fruit instead of water, and this place is called Kotila Glacier. For many years it was believed that blood flows from inside this glacier, but after research it was found out that there is a very big reservoir of water beneath this waterfall, and the amount of water in this waterfall is many times more than that in sea water, and along with this, iron extracted from the mountains is also present in this water, and when this water comes out of the waterfall, then the iron present in the water combines with the oxygen present in the air to form iron oxide, and thus the water turns red in color. 17 types of bacteria were also discovered in this water, and the surprising thing was that these bacteria do not even need oxygen and sunlight to stay alive. Scientists and researchers believe that these bacteria are present in those nets where there is a lack of oxygen and sunlight. There is no sunlight, but the mystery of how these animals came to our land is also puzzling the Antarctic scientists. In this section of file buffer of about 1.5 crore square kilometers, the scientists have found some such evidences which testify that millions of years ago, Earth also used to live, and this place was also capable of living. In 1980, Mary research found the skeletons of dinosaurs, and since then, many dinosaur bones and mojos have been found from here, and research revealed that these skeletons are about 70 lakh years old, which means that this place was capable of living. The skeleton is up to 8 feet long, and its plankton does not match with any living creature present on the Earth. Until date, its reality could not be known. Hope you will like and share this video, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.